Hey, I'm Ed from Bikerheadz and this is the Daytona AC Classic. Okay, brand new boot from Daytona 2019 AC Classic. Big departure from Daytona this, new colorways, you've got brown and you've got black going on, so you've got two different colours. I'm going to show you the brown one because it's a bit more special for Daytona. The black is a suede black, by the way, it's not flat, leathery black, but these are full grain leather as you expect from Daytona. So, let's talk you through a few of the features. As you can see, this is more of a retro classic looking boot, laces down the front, but it still has the zip on the inside. So, you've got the lace structure on the front. As you can see, I've tucked them into that tongue there. So you've got an area in the tongue to tuck your laces away. You shouldn't need to touch them again. Just adjust them a bit between summer and winter. So you can have them slightly looser with a thicker sock on, slightly tighter with a thin sock on. You can tuck them away, never use them again. Just use the zip to get in and out of the boot. So it's fairly simple, straightforward, well thought out product. As I said earlier, full grain leather throughout. It's a suede material though, so it is soft to the touch. Gives you that matte finish as opposed to that shiny finish. So it just gives it a bit more of a retro look. As you can see, it's got a large tongue on the top. The reason for that is so we can get the gore right to the top of the boot. If you didn't have that large tongue, you'd have to finish your waterproof lining slightly lower down. That means if your trousers ride up, you're going to get a wet foot. Daytona wouldn't have that. This is a riding boot, it's not a walking boot, so it is fully designed for motorcycle riding. Hence, you've got the big tongue, holds the laces, and means you can get the Gore-Tex right to the top. On the Gore-Tex lining, goes all the way to the bottom of the boot, all the way to the top, folds under the bottom, gives you the full waterproofing effect that Gore-Tex will guarantee you. Coming down the front, as I said, laces with brass eyelets, so it's high quality componentry all the way down. Black and brown laces, so a bit of a nice touch there, and leather on the inside of the tongue all the way through. Come around the inside again, leather panels all the way through, all this suede effect, including the overlay for the toe. You've still got that suede effect leather to protect the toe area. Underneath that, you've got your aramid fibre plate, so when you're changing gear, you're not going to wear through the membrane. Very important on the Daytona boot, unique to Daytona as far as I know, is that you're not going to wear through that aramid fibre plate, you're not going to get leaking through the toe area. More of a classic sole on this than you expect on a normal Daytona. Still oil and water resistant, they haven't skimped on the quality or the practicalities of riding. Daytona won't do that. So you've still got your oil and water resistant sole, plenty of grip on it as well, plenty of tread on it as well. Underneath that, your steel shank still built in, still got your anatomic footbed, still got your gel insert underneath that to reduce vibration on long distance rides. So you're not cutting anything out from style over practicality, it's still doing the job as a motorcycle boot. So as I say, two colorways in this one. Any more information on this boot, please go to Bikerheadz, like and subscribe below, and I'll see you next time.